Hey, I'm Miss V, artist and art teacher, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to use a material that's typically used for construction as an art medium. The material that we're going to be using is a sealant. It's also referred to as caulk, which is spelled C-A-U-L-K. Sealant is typically used in construction work. It's used to seal up any gaps or spaces, like in between tiles in a bathroom or in between a window seal to make sure that no air or water is coming through. Some of the pros of using sealant as an art material is that it's really inexpensive, it dries pretty quickly, it bonds to lots of different materials, it's not hot like something like a glue gun that you might otherwise use to create textures. It's paintable and it holds its shape really, really well. Sealant comes in different kinds of forms made from different materials and often found in different colors and different drying time. There is white, beige, there's fast drying, slow drying. You can get these 10-ounce tubes or you can just get little handheld squeeze bottles. These tubes are great for a few reasons. They're pretty inexpensive and you can apply it with a caulking gun. And so these sealant applicators or caulking guns allow you to push the back of the sealant in so that it comes out like a little bead at the top. And so to use this, all you have to do is cut the tip of your 10-inch sealant. I like to use scissors so that you don't cut too much. You want a nice thin bead coming out that you can control. And then you just pull this metal part back, place it in, push it forward, and then you squeeze. And that will push the inside so that it comes out from the top. Now between uses, you want to make sure that you're pulling back your metal. Some caulking guns have a piece that allows you to release so that you don't get it dripping out the front. And also, they have these little pieces, a lot of them, that come out so that you can unclog any tips that dry. I like to put at the very top of my sealant a nail whenever I'm done with it so that it doesn't dry out any leftover. I'm going to show you how to use sealant to create some really cool artistic textures that can be painted and explored with lots of different materials. As a brief review, here are some important do's of working with sealant as an art medium. Be sure to prep your workspace to protect surfaces. It can be pretty messy. Use a rag for wiping off any excess sealant. Get familiar with your caulking gun before using it. Explore a variety of tools for mark making and creating textures, like forks or toothpicks. Use water for smoothing sealant. Be sure to allow ample time for drying. Different brands may vary. And be sure to close the tip of your sealant between uses. You can place a long nail on the tip that will usually do the trick. Here are some really important don'ts. Don't apply to a flimsy surface like paper. Something like wood or heavier cardboard is ideal. Don't wash big clumps of sealant down the sink. Don't cut the tip of the tube too much. Don't start painting until the sealant is cured. And once cured, although it holds its shape and it's fairly durable, you don't want to be too rough in pushing on it. I hope you found this video tutorial to be helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more videos from Make a Mark Studios, helping you to make your mark through art.